Hi, welcome to UroPay's another tutorial. My name is Gaurav and I'm the founder of UroPay. So in this video, we will go through how the association code works and where you can get that association code on your dashboard. I'll just give you a brief overview. The app needs to be associated with your account. To keep the things simple, you don't have to log in on the app and dashboard separately, but there has to be a way to associate your particular app on your phone with the login of your business. So for that, we need to first install the Europay companion app uh, from the link it is available on the website, and then you need to log in into your dashboard. So here is your dashboard, and you can see that here we have the device list. So these are the devices which I have attached with my account. So in order to get the association code, you need to tap on the add device button here. This is a temporary code, OTP or a passcode, which you need to enter in the field where it is asked on the uh, application. Once you enter that there and you click submit, you need to come here and click on verify device button. That ways your app will be associated with your account. This is needed because we need to ensure that your app is sending your data only to your account and not somebody else's account. And to keep things very simple, we don't need to log in on the app separately, because the app's perspective or the app's use or the app's objective is that it should work in the background. The app is not your primary place to know things about your account. You have to come to dashboard, and dashboard is where the user gets to see their information like plans, the successful orders, etc. You can see an error has occurred here, and that error is there because the system was checking your association with the device in the background and the time has passed. So the system will show you that an error has occurred. Since did not have my phone with me to add another app, so I did not perform that action. And you can already see that I have two devices attached to my account. I don't have a third device to attach to. That's why you saw that error. So this is all about the association code. Again, to recap, you need to log in into your dashboard to get the association code. Go to devices list and click on add device button here. You will see a temporary 6-digit passcode which you need to enter on your mobile phone's Europay device. If you have any other question, give me a buzz on WhatsApp or send me an email on gaurav at europay.me. Thank you.